Taxing times for the Tories as their biggest donor reveals he doesn't pay full UK tax. David Cameron denied tonight that the man who is bankrolling his campaign in key marginal seats is unpatriotic for failing to pay tax here on all his earnings.
This is the ITV News at 10 with Julie Etchingham and Alistair Stewart.
The election's just weeks away and opinion polls show the Tory lead over Labour continues to fall. Has the man who wanted to help fund a victory just made that a whole lot more difficult? Also on the programme.
The loneliest day, the Chandlers kidnapped by Somali pirates tell us of their wedding anniversary apart.
This is torture, and we have never in our married life been apart this long. We have our anniversary next Sunday. We will have been married 29 years.
Family's fury as the Yorkshire Ripper goes to court to try to win his freedom.
Football's golden boy on the World Cup, wags and womanising.
And a real cliffhanger. How did he get there? And how did he get down? The British couple kidnapped by Somali pirates have described in new phone calls obtained by ITV News the mental torture they're suffering. Rachel and Paul Chandler have been held captive separately since the beginning of the year. They say they're physically okay, but struggling terribly with loneliness. Angus Walker reports.
Rachel Chandler, thin, tired, and in her words, tormented. In a new interview obtained by ITV News, she spoke briefly to a Somali journalist.
Yes, I'm obviously very tormented and very lonely and worried. It's very nice to know that the Somali community in the UK are concerned about me. I am very grateful.
She confirmed her husband was still being held separately.
I spoke to him 6, 7 or 8 days ago, but they don't let us. We're not together. We've not seen one another for 5 weeks now. But I was allowed to him, and I'd like.
After less than 2 minutes, her conversation was cut short by her captors, and she broke down.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's so nice to speak to somebody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Shortly after the Chandlers set sail from the Seychelles last October, their yacht was seized by pirates. The retired couple from Tunbridge Wells were on a dream voyage. In another brief phone call, Paul Chandler spoke about the distress of being kept apart.
I don't understand this. This is torture, and we have never in our married life been apart this long. We have our anniversary next Sunday. We will have been married 29 years.
The phone interview was recorded by Universal TV 2 weeks ago. The Somali station, with studios in London, is broadcasting weekly direct appeals to the pirates, urging the release of the Chandlers. This song is the anthem for a growing campaign to free the Chandlers, organised by British Somalis. Rallies have been held to put outside pressure on the pirates.
We are shocked and really deep in sorrow for what's happening to them. We are really sorry for the terrible time that the family is going through.
But while the pirates holding the Chandlers still demand a multi-million-pound ransom, the couple's family, in a statement issued last month, say fundraising websites, however well-meaning, are making the complex situation more confusing. This evening, a Foreign Office spokesman said the Somali community in Britain had shown considerable goodwill and the government had raised the fate of the Chandlers with key contacts in Somalia. Angus Walker, ITV News at the Foreign Office.
A British soldier was shot dead today in Afghanistan. He was from A Company 4 Rifles. His family has been told he was hit by gunfire whilst on patrol near Sangin in northern Helmand province.
And in the last